We're here in Hamdan. We just finished our class. My classmate, Kishab. Hi, Kishab. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm going to Madinah Said. I need to find his shoes for the graduation. But Kishab don't want to attend the graduation. I don't know about him. Why he don't want to experience graduation? It's recognition. Our recognition day is
Because Beverly is not coming, that's why I'm
like that. If Beverly is not coming, you don't come also. You don't want to experience how to.
Because no one there is a beautiful lady.
We are all beautiful, you know. Not only.
Special friend in Beverly.
Oh, like that. All of us is beautiful, but the lady who is near your heart is Beverly. Why you like Beverly?
Not much like, but
Remember, you already married. Don't forget that. You.
Me.
Oh.
In Nepal married, in UAE no married.
You want to add your wife, another wife? You want to get another wife? It's funny. I need to put this down. I need to cross the road. Bye, guys.